What up, YouTube? Got another unboxing. Look at the size of this fucking box. Beautiful. Any guesses what it is, guys? Let's have a little look. Oh, should be there. Size box. There we go. Oh yeah. Look at this, Gino. Beautiful. Some tires. This huge body. Look at the size of that. Nice. Yeah, cool. Look at that, guys. Terminator. What a machine. That green looks alright, actually. It's pimping. Controller. Good old trusty Fly Sky. Another one for the collection. Back wheels. Nice. KM Racing. See how they go. See how long I can keep them without ripping them up. Look at this thing. It's in mint condition. Second hand. Pipe on the back's a bit rusty, but who really cares? You don't really see that. Like, I do care, but I'm not too worried. MSD wiring. She's a 30cc two-stroke. Not the first one I've had. I've only had 3, I think, in cars. Had a heap of two-stroke boats, heaps, but not cars. I always went nitro. Yeah, nice. Look at that. All the gear on it. That looks cool, guys. Well, I just thought I'd show you anyway. I'm going to put it all together. Hopefully get a video of it ripping soon for you. Cheers. Thanks for watching, guys.